Russian Defense Ministry report on progress of the special military operation in Ukraine, 13th July 2022. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov stated that Ukraine suffers significant losses. High-precision strikes near Peresnegovatoye, Nikolaev region, Konstantinovka, and Kramatorsk, Donetsk People Republic, hit the temporary deployment points of units of 35th Marine Brigade, 54th Mechanized Brigade, 81st Air Mobile Brigade, and 109th Territorial Defense Brigade. Ukraine loses more than 1,000 personnel and 100 pieces of military equipment in a single operation. High-precision weapons of the Russian Aerospace Forces hit temporary deployment point of 14th Mechanized Brigade Battalion manned by the nationalists and foreign mercenaries near Shakov Yar, Donetsk People Republic. This attack destroyed more than 43 militants and about 170 injured. The Russian Army Aviation hit temporary deployment point of the 97th Battalion of 16th Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine near Malaya Tokashma, Zaporozhye region with high-precision missiles. The attack destroyed about 30 militants and about 37 injured. Conflict and clashes with the use of weapons have increased among nationalist fighters. On July 13, more than 200 fighters of the 226th Kraken Nationalist Formation refused to follow the commands ordered to move the Kramatorsk area and claimed a transfer to Kharkov City Territorial Defense. During the fight with the commanders and ensuing gunfight, 6 militants were killed. On the other hand, President of Ukraine Zelensky insists that his team focused on restoring people's life, rebuilding Ukraine, restoring the life, restoring the space of life, restoring what makes people human.